Simply the best WordPress hosting you can get. If you are serious about building a website, a blog, or even an online business, then you need hosting that is fast, stable, and built for performance. And today, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful options on the market, Kinsta. Kinsta is a premium managed WordPress hosting platform built specifically for WordPress websites. It is powered by Google Cloud Infrastructure, which means your website runs on enterprise-level servers designed for speed, reliability, and security. So, who is Kinsta for? Kinsta is perfect for professional bloggers, businesses, e-commerce stores, agencies managing multiple websites, and creators who want a high-performance website without dealing with technical server issues. In short, if you want a serious website that loads fast and scales easily, Kinsta is for you. One of the biggest advantages of Kinsta is performance. Websites hosted on Kinsta load extremely fast, thanks to Google Cloud's premium network and server-level caching optimized specifically for WordPress. You don't need to install complicated performance plugins because everything is already optimized for you. Security is another huge benefit. Kinsta includes daily backups, advanced firewall protection, uptime monitoring, and automatic security fixes. This means your website is protected 24/7, and if anything goes wrong, you can restore your site in seconds. Kinsta also offers a clean and modern dashboard that makes website management very easy. Even if you are not technical, you can manage your WordPress sites, backups, domains, and analytics without stress. And let's talk about support. Kinsta provides expert WordPress support available 24/7. This is not basic support. These are WordPress professionals who can actually help you solve real problems fast. Now, pricing. Kinsta is a premium hosting service, so it is not the cheapest option, but it delivers premium value. Plans start at around $30 per month for the basic plan. This plan is perfect for small websites, new projects, or anyone who wants professional hosting from day one. As your website grows, you can easily upgrade to higher plans without complicated migrations or downtime. If you want to check Kinsta, I left the official links in the description of this video. There you can see all the plans, features, and choose the one that fits your project. Also, I highly recommend subscribing to my channel because I regularly upload videos about web hosting, website building, and how to grow online income step by step. So don't forget, check the Kinsta links in the video description. Subscribe to the channel for more hosting reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.